NVIDIA presents the future of AI compute, featuring silicon photonics and 3D GPUDRAM stacking. NVIDIA has presented its approach with next-gen AI accelerators, showcasing an innovative silicon photonic implementation at the IEDM 2024 conference. NVIDIA's vision of next-gen AI accelerators includes utilizing silicon photonics interposers and unique stacking methods with modern-day packaging techniques. The industry has reached a point where there is a dire need for innovation, given that AI computing demands are increasing massively with time. Whenever there's a discussion about the future of packaging, silicon photonics, CPH, is an approach deemed a viable alternative to conventional methods. Interestingly, at the IEDM 2024 conference, Team Green presented a unique strategy, via NVIDIA, for next-gen accelerators, which involves using a CPH interpose and stacking GPU tiles vertically for such a large compute product. Team Green's implementation proposes the integration of silicon photonics interposers, replacing the electrical interconnects at there. The utilization of CPH brings in several benefits, likely in the form of providing higher bandwidth and lower latency, along with being a much more energy-efficient method than other methods. Not just the interposes, but NVIDIA plans to use 12 CPH in intra-chip and inter-chip communication, optimizing the data flow between individual GPU tiles, which is crucial for scalability and performance. Interestingly, the GPU stacking technique appeals the most in NVIDIA's vision, since the firm has revealed the use of 3D stacking, or stacking multiple GPU tiles vertically, to increase chip density and reduce footprint. Team Green calls this configuration a GPU tier, with 4 GPU tiles in one tier, all stacked in a vertical orientation, to reduce interconnect latency and maybe implement power gating, since this will be a possibility here. It will not just be GPUs, but NVIDIA will also 3D stack DRAM chips, 6 per tile. While this sounds an optimistic approach, NVIDIA's vision holds several complexities, mainly with how naive silicon photonics technology actually is right now, given that it is a relatively newer standard. Team Green would need to see CPH being in high volume production before it sees any mainstream integration, and this happening will take a long time. Along with this, aggressive 3D stacking will make thermals a huge issue, forcing NVIDIA to integrate an intra-chip cooling solution, which hasn't surfaced up for now. The analyst NVIDIA sees this implementation occurring within the next 5 years, likely between 2028 and 2030, given the complexities involved in this process.